If you don't like ordinary hotels but still crave a cozy stay, then Montana Magica Lodge is your next getaway. This isn't just any lodge, it's a place where the extraordinary meets the serene. Imagine a hotel that looks like it was plucked straight out of a storybook, nestled deep within a lush forest, offering a unique blend of comfort and adventure. Nestled in the heart of Chile's Huilo Huilo Biological Reserve, Montana Magica Lodge is not just a place to stay, it's an experience. This stunning reserve is a haven for nature lovers, with its rich biodiversity and breathtaking landscapes. The lodge itself is a marvel of architecture, designed to blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waterfalls cascading down the lodge's volcanic exterior, surrounded by the enchanting beauty of the Patagonian rainforest. The lodge is built to resemble a volcano, with water flowing down its sides, creating a mesmerizing sight and sound that soothes the soul. Each room, crafted from local wood and stone, offers panoramic views that will leave you spellbound. The interiors are designed to provide a cozy, rustic feel, while still offering all the modern amenities you need for a comfortable stay. Large windows allow you to take in the stunning scenery from the comfort of your room. Whether you're hiking through the lush trails, soaking in the hot tubs carved from ancient trees, or simply enjoying a meal at the lodge's cozy restaurant, every moment here is a brush with magic. The lodge offers a variety of activities to help you connect with nature, from guided hikes to bird-watching tours. But the magic doesn't stop there. Montana Magica Lodge is committed to ecotourism, ensuring that your stay supports the preservation of this pristine paradise. The lodge employs sustainable practices, such as using renewable energy sources and promoting conservation efforts to minimize its impact on the environment. Ready to add a sprinkle of magic to your travels? Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone looking to unwind, Montana Magica Lodge offers something for everyone. The lodge's unique setting and commitment to sustainability make it a perfect destination for those who want to experience nature without compromising on comfort. Pack your bags and let Montana Magica Lodge be the next chapter in your adventure story. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enchanted by the lodge's whimsical charm and the natural beauty that surrounds it. Every corner of this magical place invites you to explore and discover. Because here, every day is a fairy tale come to life. Whether you're exploring the mystical forest, relaxing by the waterfall, or simply soaking in the serene atmosphere, Montana Magica Lodge promises an unforgettable experience. So why wait? Embark on your magical journey today and create memories that will last a lifetime.